very simple chicken tarragon. We've browned off our chicken drumsticks. Now, I urge you, if you're going to make this at home, use it with the bone in,
meat,
right?
Yes,
this is the flavor.
It's very affordable, but it's so flavorful. So
flavorful. And it really is essential to brown it off so you get gorgeous golden brown chicken, and then you're going to add in the onions, and they're going to soak up all the juices, all the great things that are in the pan. It's fantastic.
I'm drooling.
Right? So, okay, we've got the onions in. We're going to soften them down. I just have 1 or 2 cloves of garlic here. We're just going to put them all in.
10.
So you got to get them in.
Well, when you braise garlic, it's like making a confit. It really turns it sweet and golden and mellow.
Absolutely.
I tell people all the time when they say they don't like garlic, I say, I think you're wrong. You just misunderstand it or you're burning it. When you singe garlic or cook it at too high a temp too quickly, it becomes very bitter. But if you let garlic cook slowly, or at the end of a dish, it's either going to be nice and bright or it's going to get really mellow. That slow cooking is just so mellow.
And even one of my favorite things to do is to roast garlic in the oven.
Delicious.
And then you mash it with some with some cherry tomatoes. It's a gorgeous pasta sauce,
so
and it just completely transforms the
really
taste.
does.
Right, we've softened down our onions. You want to take it a little bit further than that, but we don't have time. So we're just going to crack in a little bit of white wine. We've got Pinot Grigio. You want a dry and crisp wine here that's going to flavor up your sauce.
And when we cook with spirits, even if you don't drink a lot of wine, you do want to buy one that you enjoy the flavor of, because you're reducing the flavor down. You're concentrating it.
Right. And you're going to, even though it's a dry and crisp, you're still going to get a little bit of sweetness as well. So we've got our liquid in here. We got the chicken stock. What we're going to add back in at this point.
What's the matter with these last two
Stick them in. Get them in there.
Donal, come on.
No waste in this kitchen. I love it.
Don't be hating on the last 2 sprigs.
That's what my mom would say.
That's right.
Right, we're going to get, Janie back. We're going to get the chicken in. It's a nice little spill. This is what my kitchen really looks like. There's always a mess.
Me too.
So once you've got it to this stage...
That's why I wear patterns and dark colors.
I'm right there with you.
So it blends.
So look, we are going to stick the lid on, bring that up to temperature. You want to get it to a nice bubble, and then we're going to pop it in the oven, and we're going to let it slow break.
The chicken's out, and you're finishing the sauce.
So we're just going to finish it off with some cream, and it's just that gorgeous indulgence right at the end. You know, the pan sauces are great, but add that little mix.
The aroma of this, the aromatic in it is tarragon.
Right.
And it's just so delightful and lush.
And it has that aniseed bite, right?
Yes.
So we're going to finish this off.
Oh, look at that.
Hello.
Oh, my gosh.
Right? Right? It's just simple. It's delicious. You bring that to the table. That's the reaction you're going to get when you get to the table, okay?
I know.
It is just fantastic. And you could finish that off with a little bit more fresh tarragon. You could add parsley in there, whatever you got.
A little something green on top.
A little something. There you go. Gorgeous flavors, garlic, and all quick prep, slow cook. Flaky sea salt. Hit it.
Flaky sea salt.
Okay.
A little coarse pepper.
Come on.